Arithmetic progression for standard 10, part 11. So 150 workers were engaged to finish a piece of work in a certain number of days. 4 workers dropped the second day, 4 more on the third day, and so on. It takes 8 more days to finish the work now. Find the number of days in which the work was completed. So suppose all the 150 workers are doing the work on all the days, then they would have finished the work in a certain number of days. But 4 workers, the first day 150 workers worked, the second day 4 workers dropped out. So second day it was only 146, third day it was 142, and so on. So the number of workers on first day was 150, second day it was 146, and third day it was 142, and so on. Now let us assume, with this rate, let us assume that they finished the work in, so the work is finished in n days. So this forms an AP AP 150, 146, 142, etc. till n days. Therefore, we will find the sum. So we will write as total number of workers worked for n days is equal to, so number of days is n, so n by 2, 2a, first term is 150, so 2 into 150 plus n minus 1 into d will be 146 minus 150, so minus 4. So this is equal to n by 2, 300 minus 4n plus 4, that is equal to n by 2 into 304 minus 4n, that is equal to, you can divide 2 throughout, so it will become n into 152 minus 2n. So this is equation number 1. Now if all the 150 workers are working daily, if all the 150 workers are working daily, then the number of days worked will be here, when the number was decreasing, they took n days. Now when they are all the 150 workers are working regularly, then it will be n minus 8 days, because here they took 8 more days to finish the work. So here it will be 8 days less. So now again total number of workers worked will be n minus 8 into 150. So now with this, here also the work is getting completed, here also the work is getting completed. So you can equate these two. So equating 1 and 2, you get 152n minus 2n squared is equal to So you get this as 2n squared minus 2n minus 1200 is equal to 0. So you get n squared minus n minus 600 is equal to 0. So this we can be 600 can be written as 25 into 24. So this will become n minus 25 into n plus 24 equal to 0. So from which you get n is equal to 25 or minus 24. So ignore n is equal to minus 24 because n is a number of days. Number of days cannot be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 25. The work was completed in 25 days. Two cars start together in the same direction from the same place. The first goes with the uniform speed of 10 km per hour. The second car goes at a speed of 8 km per hour in the first hour and increases the speed by half kilometer in each succeeding hour. After how many hours will the second car overtake the first car if both the cars go non-stop? So we know speed is equal to distance by time. So the first car goes with the uniform speed of 10 kilometers. So first car speed is equal to 10 kilometers per hour. And then first goes with the uniform speed of 10 km per hour and the second will start with 8 km per hour. So it will be going slow and then slowly it increases. So after certain time these two will meet at one point after say n hours. So we will take this as the time taken when they will meet. So after n hours, so time taken to reach a point x where they will meet. Both cars will meet at point x. So that after n hours. So the distance travelled. So distance OX is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 10 and time will be n hours. So OX is equal to 10n. Now the second car, now it's starting from here. The first, it starts at 8 kilometers per hour. So second car, the distance O8 is equal to speed into time. Speed is, so in 1 hour, this is in 1 hour. So 1 into speed is equal to 8. So 8 kilometers. Now AB will be again, this is again 1 hour and the speed will be, it is increased by half an hour. So 8.5 into 1. BC is equal to 9 into 1 and so on. So now this will form, so the distance travelled will form an AP. Distance travelled in each hour will form an AP. So total distance travelled that is still OX, is equal to 8, 8 plus 8 and a half plus 9 plus 9 and a half and so on till after n hours. N hours they will meet. So this is equal to, the total distance will be equal to n by 2 n by 2 into 2a. 2a is 16 plus n minus 1 into half. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. D will be it half. Sorry. N minus 1 into half. So this is equal to this will be 16 plus n by 2 minus 1 by 2. So taking an LCM, 32 minus 131 plus n by 2. So this will become 31 plus n into n by 4. Now the distance is same. So equating 1 and 2, you get 10n is equal to 31 plus n by 4. You get 40n is equal to 31n plus n squared. So you get n squared minus 9n is equal to 0. N into n minus 9 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 0 and 9. So n cannot be 0. Or n equal to 0. So they will meet both the cars will meet after 9 hours.